Writing a cover letter can feel like the most frustrating part of applying for a job. You've got the experience, you've got the skills, but now you have to explain yourself in one page with the perfect balance of personality, professionalism, and relevance. And let's be honest, it's hard to get right. That's exactly why we created the AI-powered cover letter generator inside SMRT.BIO. It combines the details from your SMRT.BIO profile with the job description you're applying for and generates a tailored cover letter draft in seconds. From there, you can simply adjust it, personalize it, and make it sound more like you. Let's walk through how it works. There are two main ways to generate a cover letter on SMRT.BIO. First, by applying to a job already listed on the platform. Second, by importing a job listing from another website and then applying through SMRT.BIO. If you're looking to learn how to import an external job listing, we've got a separate video walking you through that step by step. Make sure to watch that next. But in this video, we'll show you the process for a job already listed on SMRT.BIO. Start by going to the Vacancies tab and choose a job you'd like to apply for. You'll first be asked to confirm the hard criteria. These are non-negotiable requirements for the job. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to identify your experience level and evaluate your skills for that specific role. After completing the evaluation, click Save. Now comes the magic. On the next page, you'll see the cover letter section. Click Generate Text, and SMRT.BIO will instantly create a cover letter draft based on your profile and the job you're applying for. Once it's generated, take a moment to refine it. Add your personal voice, highlight the things that matter most to you, and make sure it reflects who you are. When you're happy with the result, hit Continue. Before you submit your application, you'll be asked to choose what parts of your SMRT.BIO profile you want to share with the employer. We recommend including your name, email address, and your bio. You can also remove items like your driver's license or additional certifications. Just make sure what you share aligns with what the job requires. And that's it. You've created and submitted a personalized cover letter without starting from a blank page. If you're applying to a job that isn't listed on SMRT.BIO, you can still import the vacancy and go through the same process. Just check out our tutorial on how to bring external listings into SMRT.BIO. One quick note, cover letters generated through SMRT.BIO are created fresh for each application. That means they aren't stored. So make sure to copy and paste your final version into another document if you'd like to reuse parts of it later. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find a job that truly fits your path. Don't forget to subscribe to the SMRT.BIO YouTube channel for more tutorials, tools, and tips to help you grow your career.